The Maldives made a splash in October when members of the cabinet descended 20 feet under the Indian Ocean to hold the world's first underwater cabinet meeting. Ministers donned scuba gear for the half-hour meeting and used special pens to sign an underwater pledge calling on all countries to reduce their carbon emissions ahead of the Copenhagen Climate Change Conference in December. The aquatic meeting was a light-hearted affair, but with a serious message.
We want to see that everyone else is also occupied as much as we are, and would like to see that people actually do something about it. If Maldives cannot be saved today, we do not feel that there is much of a chance for the rest of the world.
The Maldives, an archipelago nation of 1,200 tropical islands, lies just off the southwest tip of India. It is one of the world's most low-lying countries. The average height of the islands is just 1.5 meters above the sea. For the Maldives, rising sea levels associated with climate change pose a real security threat. One-third of all inhabited islands suffer from unprecedented levels of coastal erosion. Erosion has always been a problem in the Maldives, but in recent decades, it has become much worse.
Man, algon was mulani, it goes metan, Gadaway, Bodokama, man, algon is Badi Ekon, the Hamoya.
With picture postcard beaches, swaying palms, and crystal clear waters, plus all year-round sunshine, the Maldives is famed for its luxury tourist resorts. Fishing also makes up a significant part of the culture and economy, and in recent times, fishermen have become worried that climate change is interfering with their catch. The United Nations say that climate change threatens to hit vulnerable, low-lying countries first. Most at risk are those least able to defend themselves, such as the poor, the old, and women. To combat climate change, the Maldives is investing in adaptation schemes to protect its low-lying islands. The capital, Malé, is encircled by a 2-meter seawall, complete with tetrapod concrete blocks that dissipate wave energy. The country is also investigating how it can best protect the island's coral reefs. As well as being a major boon for visiting tourists, these reef ecosystems also provide a protective ring around each island, acting as a natural breakwater. They also provide a home for thousands of exotic marine species, including turtles, sharks, and manta rays. In March this year, the Maldives announced plans to become the world's first carbon-neutral nation, switching from dirty diesel to renewable energy and offsetting aviation emissions. The Maldives hopes to virtually eliminate the use of fossil fuels by 2020. The hope is that, leading the way in renewable energy, the Maldives can persuade other countries to ditch dirty development for clean growth, thereby cutting global carbon dioxide emissions and saving the Maldives and the rest of the world from climate change.